We're done with the first type of conic, which is the circle. Let's now proceed with Module 3, which talks about the parabola or the second type of conics. For activity card, activity number 1, we need to write each equation in the form y is equal to a quantity x minus h squared plus k. So, yung number 1, 2, and 3 daw, kailangan natin gawin into this form. So, you need to show your solution. For example, we're given this equation. We need to make it in the form y is equal to a quantity x minus h squared plus k. So, yung given natin, halimbawa, ay y is equal to 3x squared minus 12x plus 16. Unang gagawin natin, pagsamahin natin yung merong variable na x. So, yung magiging equation natin ay y is equal to 3x squared minus 12x plus 16. Pinagsama ko yung parehong merong x. Next na gagawin, kailangan ilalabas natin yung 3. So, i-divide natin yung dalawa ng 3. Magiging y equals, ilalabas yung 3, open parenthesis, divide natin. 3 divided by 3 is 1, kaya ang isusulat ko na lang ay x squared. Copy negative. 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4, then copy x. Next na gagawin, leave a little space, then copy plus 16. So, yung ginawa ko lang, nilabas ko yung 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then, nag-leave ako ng isang space. Next thing to do, we need to make this one into a perfect square trinomial. So, yung gagawin natin, yung number na to, which is negative 4, i-divide natin siya ng 2. Ang magiging sagot ay negative 2. And then, yung negative 2, i-multiply sa sarili niya. Negative 2 multiply to negative 2, the answer is 4. Yung gagawin natin, yung 4, i-add natin dun sa blank space. So, magiging y is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 4, then plus 16. Next na gagawin, yung 3 tsaka yung 4, pag multiply natin. 3 times 4, that is 12. Yung nakuha sagot, ima-minus natin sa dulo or isa-subtract natin sa dulo. So, this will be y is equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 16 minus 12. 4 times 3, 12. Yung 12, isa-subtract sa dulo. Next na gagawin, isi-simplify natin siya. Copy y is equal to 3. I-factor natin itong trinomial. Kunin ang square root ni x squared, ang sagot ay x. Copy the symbol or the sign, negative. Then, kunin yung square root ni 4, which is 2. Lagyan lang ng squared. Then, 16 minus 12, the answer is positive 4. So, this will be the vertex form of the given parabola. Yung ginawa lang natin, copy 3, square root of x squared is x, copy negative, square root of 4 is 2, lagyan ng squared, then 16 minus 12 is 4. Another example, what if we're given y is equal to negative x squared plus 10x minus 15? So, first step natin, pagsamahin yung x. So, this will be y is equal to negative x squared plus 10x minus 15. So, nilagay ko lang yung dalawang x sa open and close parenthesis natin. Next na gagawin, kailangan ilalabas natin tong negative or negative 1. So, this will be y is equal to negative 1. Negative divided by negative is x squared na lang siya. And then, yung 10x, tatanggalin natin yun, di-divide natin into negative 1. The answer is negative 10x. then leave a little space, copy negative 15. Next na gagawin, we need to make this one into a perfect square trinomial. So, kukunin natin yung pinakagitnang number, negative 10. I-divide natin siya sa 2. The answer is negative 5. Ang negative 5, i-multiply sa sarili niya. The answer is 25. So, this will be y is equal to negative 1 x squared minus 10x, then plus 25 minus 15. Next na gagawin natin, i-multiply si negative 1 at si 25. So, this will be y is equal to negative 1 x squared minus 10x plus 25 minus 15. Yung nakuha natin sagot, ima-minus natin. Minus negative 1 times 25, that is negative 25. So, isasubtract natin si negative 25. Okay, kung mapapansin ninyo, dalawang negative ito. Kapag dalawa yung negative natin, magiging positive na siya. So, this will be y is equal to negative 1 x squared minus 10x plus 25 minus 15. Dahil parehong negative, magiging plus 25. Next na gagawin, we need to factor this one. The answer will be y, negative 1. Ang square root ni x squared ay x. Copy the sign, negative. Ang square root ni 25 by 5, then squared. Simplify natin, negative 15 plus 25, that is positive 10. So, this will be the vertex form of the given parabola. For activity number 2, we need to find the features of the graphs of equations in activity 1. So, yung mga answer ninyo sa activity 1, hanapin nyo pa yung kanilang vertex, axis of symmetry, focus, directrix, and the opening. So, paano gagawin yung activity number 2? Magbibigay ako ng example. Ito yung mga nakuha nating answer kanina. Y is equal to 3, quantity x minus 2 squared plus 4. And for number 2, we have y is equal to negative 1, quantity x minus 5 squared plus 10. First thing to do, we need to find the vertex. Kailangan alam muna natin yung parts ng ating equation. Yung naunang number, that is letter A. Yung pangalawang number, that is age. And the last one is K. Same with this example, we have A, age, K. In getting the vertex, we need to consider age and K. Open parenthesis tayo. Ano yung age natin? Age is negative 2. Kaso pinapalitan yung sign from negative magiging positive 2. Then yung K natin is 4. Yung K hindi na pinapalitan yung sign niya, kaya 4 na lang siya. Again, the vertex, age, papalitan ng sign, copy, K. So the vertex is 2 and 4. About example number 2, the vertex will be age, papalitan ng sign from negative, magiging positive 5. And then, yung K natin is 10, kokopyahin lang. So, that would be the vertex. What about the axis of symmetry? Yung axis of symmetry, yan din yung age natin. So, ito yung age natin kanina, which is 2. Yung gagawin mo lang, x equals 2. Yan na yung axis of symmetry. Same with this one, yung age natin ay 5. So, this will be x equals 5. That would be the axis of symmetry. What about, let's now solve the focus of the given parabola. So, paano ba kunin yung focus? Meron tayong equation or formula, that is age and k plus 1 over 4a. Yan yung ating formula. Yung age natin, alam naman natin na equal siya kay 2. Yun yung ating age. Hanapin natin yung k plus 1 over 4a. Yung k natin ay 4 plus 1 over 4. Yung a natin ay 3. Multiply natin. 4 plus 1 over 4 times 3 is 12. Next na gagawin, ito, dapat over 12 din siya. So, multiply natin. 4 times 12, that is 48 over 4 plus 1 over 12. 48 over 12. Yung ginawa lang natin, 4 times 12 is 48, then over 12 plus 1 over 12. Next na gagawin, add lang natin siya. 48 plus 1, that is 49 over 12. That would be the focus. 2 and 49 over 12. Number 2, let's solve for the focus. Same formula we have, h k plus 1 over 4a. Yung h natin dito ay 5. So, copy 5 and then solve for k plus 1/4 a. Yung k natin ay 10 plus 1 over 4. A natin is negative 1. Ayun siya, a. So, isosolve lang natin. 10 plus 1 over negative 4. So, ito, kailangan over negative 4 din siya. So, this will be multiplied negative 40 over negative 4 plus 1 over negative 4. Negative 40 plus 1, that is negative 39 over negative 4. Pero kung mapapansin ninyo, pareho silang negative. Pag parehong negative, magiging positive na siya. So, this will be 5 and 39 over 4. This will be the focus of example number 2. Next naman, how can we solve for the directrix? Kung yung focus natin ay k plus 1 over 4a, yung directrix naman, that is equal to y equals k minus 1 over 4a. Yung focus plus yung directrix minus or subtraction. Kung gagawin natin ito, yung k natin ay 4 minus 1 over 4, yung a natin ay 3. Then simplify, 4 minus 1 over 12. Katulad nung ginawa natin kanina, 4 times 12, that is 48 over 12. Minus 1 over 12. So, kapag sinab natin ito, 48 minus 1, that is 47 over 12. That would be the directrix. Next, let's try example number 2, solving for the directrix. Again, the formula is y equals k minus 1 over 4a. Yung focus plus, yung directrix minus. Yung k natin is 10 minus 1 over 4. A natin is negative 1. So, this will be 10 minus 1, negative 4. So, dahil pareho siyang negative, magiging positive na siya. So, this will be 10 plus 1/4. Let's try. Then, add natin siya or multiply 10 times 4, that is 40 over 4 plus 1/4. 40 plus 1, that is 41 over 4. So, that will be the directrix. Y is equal to 41 over 4. Lastly, we need to find the opening. Yung opening, nakabase lang tayo dito sa unang number. Kapag ang unang number ay positive, so in this case, 3 is positive, ang opening natin is upward. And then, kapag naman ang unang number ay negative, like in this case, negative 1, the opening is downward. So that is how you get the vertex, axis of symmetry, focus, directrix, and the opening of a parabola. Last, ang assessment card, katulad lang siya ng ginawa natin kanina. Given 1, 2, and 3, hanapin natin yung vertex, axis of symmetry, focus, at directrix. Hindi na natin siya kailangang i-sketch. Huwag nang gawin yung sketch. Also, same with enrichment card. Given this one, kailangang hanapin yung vertex, axis of symmetry, focus, and directrix. Katulad siya nung ginawa natin sa activity number 1. Kailangan hanapin muna natin yung vertex form bago mahanap yung vertex, axis of symmetry, focus, and directrix. Huwag na din siyang i-graph.